This has been our life for the past few months now. A sneak peek inside of our master renovations. I don't think y'all are ready for this. I don't think I'm ready for this. It's literally 60 degrees outside and I'm wearing this beanie like it is below freezing. You gotta do what you gotta do when you're trying to hide your grays. You feel me? I hope you guys are all having an amazing day wherever you're watching, whether it's in your car, in your dorm, on the toilet, wherever it is you are tuning in today. I just want to say hello and welcome. I've been getting a lot of questions about how the house renovations have been going. I got a glimpse of our master bathroom and I think it was the first time I actually walked in there and I realized, oh my gosh, this is like, I don't even recognize this space at all. It's just like wooden sticks. This has been our life for the past few months now. A sneak peek inside of our master renovations. I don't think y'all are ready for this. I don't think I'm ready for this. Okay, Scuba Steve is here now.
You have shoes on?
Why do we have to have shoes on?
I just don't want dust on my feet.
Oh. Okay.
All right, first things first. When you get in this room, you have to...
Oh! Honestly, I'm just glad that the door is still here. Goodbye. That is nasty, babe.
Come in here.
No, I'm not coming in there.
I want you to look. Okay, so this is going to be our shower. Come step inside your new shower. How does it feel? Move around a little bit. Sing in the rain a little bit. Come.
Wow.
How does that feel? So that's where the shower head will be right there.
Where?
Right there.
Right there?
In the center. The drain.
Down that.
So how do you feel? And then we put that tiny little curb there. That's for you shaving your legs, basically.
Oh, nice. I definitely need that. Is this going to be a mirror?
No, it's not going to be a mirror. It's going to be a shower. Have you ever seen a mirror inside of a shower?
Yes.
Don't answer that.
Yes, when you're 9 months pregnant.
Oh my gosh.
And you bring a mirror in your shower because
Really?
you got to get ready for
so
delivery.
This will where like your shampoo and stuff. It'll kind of have like a little ledge there. Put your shampoo and soap bars, etc. Those are our sinks.
Where?
Those are his and hers, our sinks.
Wow, before was right there behind us.
Before it was over there, man. It was rough, just in that little area right there. Which one do you like? Oh, she's washing her face. Wow, beautiful. Do you like washing your face right here? I feel like you would like this one because it's by the closet door right there. Or you might like this one because there's the window right there.
Something about the window that might be a little cozy vibe. This is where I'm going to do my videos. I hope I can do some beauty videos right here.
That's all you care about.
The lighting is always a struggle sometimes. Even though we have all these windows in the house, I think I just get trolled by the sun. I cannot actually wait until all my appliances are like rolled perfectly in the cubbies.
They're not going to be rolled. They're going to be plugged in at all times. So you pull the drawer out and you just pull it out.
Like at Dry Bar. It's just like in their little nooks. Those are the things that
Don't worry about that. Make your heart get thump, thump. Okay, so, and then here, there's going to be a giant like towel cabinet thing here. Big doors. And then that's going to be the poo-poo. Oh. So when you come in to go potty, you come in through this door like we did before.
Oh.
But that's why I left this door here is because you just go straight from the bed. Right there, hello light. You come right in this door, and then oh my gosh, immediately in the middle of the night when you got to go to the bathroom.
That hole is right there.
Yeah, that's where the poo poo is gonna go in there. That's where the dookie's gonna go. Over there.
And then all of that is our closet, right?
Yeah, our closet's over there.
We basically went from this being the closet, y'all. This was our closet. You had this side, I had that side. It was doable.
Exactly. So see how much bigger it is?
Oh my God. This is the whole closet?
That's the whole closet.
That's going to be crazy. I can't wait.
Are you excited about that?
I've never had a closet that size, so I'm just excited.
So before we go to the closet really quick, let me show you. The most beautiful cherry on top here is going to be the tub that's going to be centered right here. We'll have a little chandelier, which we need to pick, by the way. And then right here, I thought this is a really cool idea. I'll show you.
Okay.
Hold this for me. Tell me what you think. So this is your, your spigot or whatever, tub. And then right here, about right here, I'm gonna do a cutout in the wall. And it's gonna like be arched like that, like a little window that's like in the wall. Like
I know what you're talking about.
It's like a niche in the wall.
Yeah.
You put like candles and stuff like that for. What do you think?
I love it.
You like that?
Do you love this stuff?
I do.
But it's taking forever. So why is that?
Well, there was this post in here that we had to like completely. You see these guys right here? These
What? What do you mean?
Yeah, look up. You see these two giant metal beams? They have to be supported because they're supporting our house. So if you can imagine,
oh my God.
you can imagine you're taking out the main support. You have to do something. So we put one in there. There's a new post there, but you see, like it's a big deal. So,
gosh.
anyways.
See, that's the stuff I don't know anything about.
But okay. So this closet has been such a pain. Here you go. Here, Ben. Here. Use my house. I mean, here, it's like, this is our main water supply of the house.
What?
So this used to be our laundry room. And so, honestly, my dad and I are the perfect team because he tells me what I can do and then I dream of what it should look like. So, he was like, the plumber was going to leave this. It was really going to, like, kill my vibes in this closet. So
I thought you were going to do washer dryer in here, too.
We are.
Like
we took this out. There used to be old filters on here, like carbon filters for the house. We're going to put that outside. We're going to take this off. We're going to move. This was the big problem right here, this poo-poo drain, okay?
Ew, there's poo in there?
No, it's just a giant drain for the house.
Oh.
Well, maybe there's.
Ew.
But they're going to move
That's
this.
where my paper towels are. Seriously?
They're going to move this.
Okay.
They're going to move this over here.
Uh-huh.
And so that's going to open up this whole wall. So this will all be opened up.
This is all closet.
Yeah, we had a window here. We took it out because we didn't need it because we had this window here.
Oh, yeah, I remember that
and
window.
This is actually our new washer and dryer unit. It's all one unit. It's the new LG.
Oh.
Not sponsored.
And look what it says under it. Life's good.
There you go. Life's good. It's
The
going over
good
here.
life. Oh.
So here's what we have to figure out. I think all of your clothes, you're going to get this whole side because this is the nice side. You're going to have this whole side.
What?
And this doorway is going away.
Thank you for giving me the nice side, babe.
Of course. And then I'm going to get this little sliver right here between the door and the dryer.
Hey, can we do that thing that they do when you like write something on the wood?
Oh, you're right. We should do that.
We didn't get to do that.
Yeah, we should.
There's a permanent marker in the pantry. What are you going to write?
I got to put it on the other side because the plumbers are going to laugh at me. They're going to know that I came in here and did this.
No, it's cute.
Let's do it in the shower.
Okay. What? Oh, it's Sazan.
Let's come over here.
As Christmas forever.
We have to
Okay.
do different parts of the room. I was just thinking. I don't know how to spell Isaiah. I-A-H.
You were definitely homeschooled.
43:19.
Yes.
Does anyone know what that says?
Tell us, Steve.
Behold, I'm doing a new thing. Now it springs forth. Do you not perceive it? I will make a way in the wilderness and rivers in the desert.
Amen.
That's a good verse. Okay.
I love that.
Let's do more. This is kind of fun.
I'm gonna write
Oh, you
something.
do one.
If you know, you know.
Ooh.
Remember that? If you know when we lived in our LA house, the rest is story.
That's a vibe.
Who the heck did that? Steve? Who was that? What in the world?
I didn't do that.
Someone was
And even though I
bored.
did. What?
How do you do
You
it?
talking about me being homeschooled?
How do you do it? The backward S's
You
coming
are-
together as one.
You have to do one S this way and then one S this way.
Really? That
Yeah,
looks
it doesn't
like
look. It looks like two snakes making out.
Valentine. Valentina?
Yeah, it's an A.
Okay. The blessing angel. The blessing angel.
Sweetie.
Sweetie, don't come in here. The blessing angel. It's sweetie.
Gotta put the.
And
It's gonna be
hopefully it won't be February 2032 by the time we see this place completed. I love you, babe. If any of you guys are currently in a season of doing renovations, make sure that you have a vision before you start tearing walls down and grabbing your sledgehammer. I think it's so important to spend some time in the space and going on Pinterest to see sort of what your vision is. I think so often we want to see shortcuts. We want to see the finish line as soon as possible. But with house stuff and renovations, I will say, don't always go the cheaper route. Don't always go the quickest route. Really, quality is like the most important thing when it comes to creating a space that you're going to live and breathe in and spend a lot of time in. Stevie and I honestly did not grow up having like nice things. And for us, that is coming to a space at the end of the day where we feel like we can truthfully feel this sort of getaway within our own home, you know, having that space to be able to unwind, to connect and reconnect. It's just so nice. So we wanted to take our time and really create a space that we would feel inspired in. And I'm so excited, and I'll be sure to share it with you guys as we go on and as we progress. As always, I love you guys. I hope that you have an amazing rest of your day wherever you're watching this video. Be sure to comment below, subscribe to my channel, and as always, let me know what you guys want to see next, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah. Mwah. Bye, y'all.